Hi guys, welcome to my channel TechTroid. If you are new to channel, please subscribe. In this video, I will explain some settings you must change it right now. First one, app permissions in App Manager. Some installing apps and installed apps ask some unnecessary permissions. For example, even calculator app asks to allow microphone, location, etc. By turning it off, you may protect your data from ethical hackers. Second one, notification settings in lock screen. In lock screen, there are notifications come in a day. Sometimes you may put your phone in public places, for example in functions, etc. There may be a chances to somebody to read your messages in lock screen. Even they can reply to that messages without your permission. If you don't know this, don't worry. Please change settings in lock screen to hide content of your messages. Third one, answering and ending calls by using your keys. It's really cool to handle, try it. You can change it in accessibility settings, but in some mobile phone it is not available. Fourth one, here everyone is using WhatsApp, but 95% people don't know this. Okay, we will see. How many of you know media visibility settings in WhatsApp? Sometimes your friends or groups can send you an unnecessary picture. It will automatically downloaded and saved in your gallery. Sometimes there may be a chances to somebody to see these pictures in your gallery. You can annoy that by customizing these settings to turn it off. Fifth one, every peoples will avoid ads in their browsers like Chrome, etc. By turning on light mode, you may avoid these ads. You may have a question how it works. If you are in light mode, your mobile data will spend it in particular input searches other than the ads. Some peoples may know these things or used it. If this video somewhat useful, like it, please share it to your friends. Okay guys, thank you.